Dr. Nikul Patel, do you want to be taken to the International Space Station? Only then will you believe? What will it take for some of us to convince you that India punished Pakistan, we decimated the terror camps? मान क्यों नहीं रहे आप लोग?
See what you've shown on your national television. If you see, we have not asked question, what is that? You are actually misinterpreting it. We have asked that what happened to those 4 terrorists who were into India and where are they? Have been they caught or not? Is it not a right question to ask to the government by the opposition? Secondly, the Pradhan Mantri is saying that there should be no terror and trade go together. Now, if you see the Niti Aayog report, which is very close to Pradhan Mantri, say that we should adopt Turkey policy of growing with our small and medium enterprises. So I don't think that what is happening with the government and one side they are telling that we should punish Turkey by stopping all the trades, and now they are taking the advice from
Dr.
the
Nikul Patel.
policy.
Dr. Nikul Patel, you are talking about Turkey, sir. You remember what the response was of 2 of your tallest leaders when a question on Turkey was asked? They were playing Turkey. They didn't know what to do. Do you know who those 2 people are? Jairam Ramesh and Pawan Kheda. The question was, आपका टर्की पे क्या स्टैंड है? One asked the other, sir, आप बोलिए. He says, नहीं, अब बाद में. He, turns the mic again, sir, बोलिए, टर्की पे सवाल. He has nothing. And we'll play out that reaction. आपको शायद याद नहीं होगा, डॉक्टर पटेल. देखिए, हम जो यहां बात करते हैं सबूत के साथ, आज तो प्रधानमंत्री ने भी बोल दिया, लेकिन मैं तो हर रोज शाम को जब यहां आता हूं तो सबूत लेके आता हूं. आप लोगों में से कुछ, आप लोगों को बुरा भी लग जाता है. अब साजिद सुपारी वाला भी आ गया हमारे पास. साजिद सुपारी वाला, संजय राउत सेज ये सब ऑपरेशन सिंदूर फर्जी था.
See, I'll tell you one thing. I have heard the clip properly. It is not about Farzi. He said that it is not totally, don't have any right to celebrate right now, because what I think is that his meant was that the 4 terrorists are still absconding. They have not been caught or not been taken action against. We are celebrating Operation Sindoor before it is being completed. BJP themselves are saying, first of all, let me clear, this is a victory of the army, India, not only BJP. We were with the BJP or any party who were going to take action against Pakistan. But when Trump intervened or whatever happened, he dictated terms to us. We had a ceasefire done.
No, who was taking this? No, 1 minute. Sajid Supariwala, you're saying Trump was dictating. Was Sanjay Raut taking down the notes when Trump was dictating, or were you taking down the notes for him? Who was taking down the notes? You are saying the operation is not over. Mr. Supariwala, make up your mind. On the show, you've just said operation is not over. If the operation is not over, sir, then why are you jumping the gun and asking the questions? And if the operation is over, how can you say we don't have right to celebrate? आप पहले अपना मन बना लीजिए. साजिद भाई, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप?
Terrorists are still absconding or not absconding? The 4 terrorists has been taken task. Has it been done? How can we celebrate?
Okay. We should not celebrate till the Pahalgam attackers are neutralized. That's the question. Okay. We should not celebrate. Okay. Do you believe in the valor of our braves?
Come again?
Do you believe in the valor of our braves?
Definitely.
Definitely.
I again repeat.
Have you seen the press briefings by the military?
Of course, we are talking about right now. We are not.
No. 1 minute, sir. What did they say in those briefings? What was said? They showed satellite imagery. Look at the damage we've inflicted on Pakistan. And these were not some villages in, Pak-occupied Kashmir. We struck deep inside Pakistan, Mr. Supariwala. But Sanjay Raut, you see, Sanjay Raut does not know Borivali from Dombivli. So that is Sanjay Raut. I don't expect you to, defend him. But it's your job. You're trying your best. Let me bring in Mr. Sabharwal. Romesh Sabharwal, सवरवाल साहब, मोबाइल में आप देख रहे हैं, सबूत टीवी पे दिखा रहे हैं हम सर, मोबाइल में मत देखिए। जो भी आपके नेता पूछ रहे हैं जेजे, ये जेजे क्या है सर? जेजे, आरजी, पीजी, एसजी, ये आप लोग, अब आप जेजे पे आ गए। व्हाट इज जेजे? डू यू नो व्हाट इज जेजे?
आई डोंट नो।
देखिए, आपके
I
जो
don't
बड़े
know what
नेता
is
हैं,
JJ.
आपने जननायक बोल दिया उनको। यू रिफ्यूज टू सेलिब्रेट ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, बट यू वर exulting in the defeat of the कांग्रेस पार्टी। 99 में आप सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, हम यहां पे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है। ये क्या है जेजे? हैव यू ट्राइड टू आस्क some of the other colleagues in the party what is JJ?
No. We are with the present government, and we appreciate the efforts they have taken. But we requested them to debate in the parliament, so the whole country should also come to know that in the parliament what exactly has happened. What achievements the India government has achieved by pulling the Pakistan, because they are the terrorist country, and we appealed for the parliament session. Unfortunately, it was not been done.
No,
So
मिस्टर
we,
सबरवाल, आई थिंक बीच में आप एक दो एपिसोड भूल गए होंगे। ये जब आप देख रहे होंगे कांग्रेस का सागा, यू मिस 2 episodes. One is in the press conference where पवन खेड़ा said जयशंकर is a मुखबिर। मुखबिर शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया। मुखबिर मतलब क्या होता है आप बताएंगे?
very sad.
वेरी
Yeah,
सैड। तो
very
आप
sad. He should not have used
कुछ
that
लोग
word.
जो डेलीगेशन में गए कांग्रेस की तरफ से, वो भी यही बोल रहे हैं वेरी सैड, बट आप यहां रह के वेरी सैड बोल रहे हैं। क्या हुआ? आपकी तपस्या में भी कमी है।
नहीं, एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर जो है वो हमारे कंट्री का है। वी शुड नॉट।
तो ये पवन खेड़ा कहां से है सर? विच कंट्री इज ही फ्रॉम?
पवन खेड़ा शीला दीक्षित की क्रिएशन है हमारी पार्टी में। अब क्या कर सकते हैं?
देखिए,
We know the
ये
background of पवन खेड़ा।
आप खुलासा कर रहे हैं, अब पता नहीं अब इसके बाद आपको पार्टियां आने देगी कि नहीं। लेकिन अच्छा चलिए, जयराम रमेश वो किसके क्रिएशन है?
मैं सच्चाई से पीछे नहीं हटता।
नहीं, वो तो मैं देख रहा हूं, which is why we have you here. रमेश सबरवाल has also put
Very
India
unfortunate.
first. मैंने लिखा था that Shashi Tharoor has put IND over INC. आप भी वही कर रहे हैं। वेरी ब्रेव ऑफ यू। अब ये बताइए, जयराम रमेश किसके क्रिएशन है?
नहीं, मेरे तो नेता राजीव गांधी और इंदिरा गांधी और सोनिया गांधी के बाद राहुल गांधी है। I believe in Congress. I will never leave Congress party. I believe that my party has taught us to serve the country. So ये नेशन है, हमारे तो लोगों ने, लीडरों ने कुर्बानियां की हैं, and we
So,
know how
Mr.
to
Sabharwal, then
sacrifice.
why are you not
So,
doing
एक-
these
एक-
briefings? Why are these two people entrusted with the responsibility? And by the way, you are saying Rahul Gandhi is my leader. ये कैसे नेता हैं आपके जिनका ट्वीट आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? जेजे मतलब क्या, बता दीजिए। बिकॉज आर रिपोर्टर साहिल सुहेल tried to ask Rahul Gandhi, the man himself. पता है उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने बोला डोंट वेस्ट माई टाइम, और ऐसे हटा दिया रिपोर्टर को। आप कोशिश कीजिए, पूछिए उनसे।
I know. I've seen that. He is very genuine leader. He has a pain for the country also, but unfortunately, the people around him, they are totally misleading and misinforming sometimes.
So then you don't need no proof. आप खुद ही बोल रहे हैं सर, आपने डायग्नोज भी कर लिया, आपको सोल्यूशन भी पता है। अब मैं क्या पूछूं इसके आगे? आपको सुन के वो साजिद सुपारी वाला भी अब चुप हो गए वो।